First of all, check this out. This is my cloud client on my desktop. I'm going to ask one question. Can you access my local WordPress site? See what happens here. So it is getting basic details of my site. So it is saying that cloud can access my local WordPress site. So I'm connected via WordPress MCP server and I have access to several abilities. So keep this word abilities in mind. We will talk about this word later in this video. So here I am able to give access to my WordPress site and allow AI clients or agents to perform certain actions. So here it provided me some basic information. Let me ask a basic question. What is the site name? You can ignore this error as of now. So site name is BuntyWP, which is correct. This site, this is getting information from my local site, and yeah, this is the site name. Let me ask how many hosts are there? So whenever we ask any question, it always checks whether there is an ability for doing that particular task is there or not. If it is not there, it won't give you any response. Otherwise, it will give you an answer. So this is what basically use AI with WordPress. So let's talk about introduction of WordPress and AI. Hello WordPress nerds. So from now on, we are going to start a new series called WordPress and AI. So yeah, this was not in my list, but I had many requests that creating video with AI. People want to know how AI is used by WordPress and how we can use AI for WordPress. Anything with AI and WordPress, please make a video on that. So I was watching a lot of videos related to WordPress and AIs, and yeah, WordPress has introduced some things for implementing AI, and yeah, I'm gonna explain it in very simple manner. Videos on the internet are quite advanced, but yeah, I will try to make it as simple as possible. So stay tuned with me in this playlist. So for this video, we are not going to do anything with AI. We are not going to do any code or anything else. We will just understand the terminology and keywords which we are going to use in this series, so that during our series it will be easier to understand what we are doing with AIs and WordPress. Okay, so first things first, let's try to understand these four keywords: clients, MCP, abilities API, and MCP adapter. Now we are going to talk about all of these one by one. So first things first, I'm not including AI because we all know what AI is, so I'm not gonna explain that. But let's start with clients and AI assistant. So what are clients and AI assistants? So often we use IDEs and the app like Cloud, ChatGPT, Gemini. So you open the ChatGPT site and start typing the prompts and getting the response from ChatGPT or Cloud. So these are called clients or AI assistants. Some app provide the desktop app as well. For example, this cloud. So this is also called client. IDEs like Cursor, nowadays VS Code as well. In VS Code, you can implement any AI chat box over there. So these are the clients through which you can communicate with AI. So these are called clients or AI assistants. Now the second word is the MCP. So what is MCP? So MCP is the open protocol, which is like a bridge between your app and the AIs. So for example, you have your WordPress site and somehow you want to communicate your WordPress site with AI. So MCP will be the mediator. It converts whatever we send from our WordPress site to AI. So MCP will convert all of those things which AI can understand. So basically MCP is a mediator between your app and the AI. Now Abilities API. Now Abilities APIs is introduced for WordPress. So in very short manner, abilities means which ability you want to give to AI to perform actions for your WordPress sites. For example, if you want AI to install a plugin on your WordPress site, so ability for installing the plugin to an AI. So for that purpose, Abilities API is built and it is already included in latest WordPress. So it comes by default with WordPress. You don't need to do anything extra for this. We will understand Abilities API deeply in our upcoming videos. So if you don't understand abilities right now, that's okay. You just need to familiar with this keywords abilities API. So most of the stuff we will revolving around abilities API only. Now the last part is the MCP adapter. So MCP adapter is the plugin generated for WordPress. In GitHub, you can just simply download it from the release section. So what it does, so previously we talked about MCPs, so which is a mediator between your app and AI. So MCP adapter is specially built for WordPress, which is a mediator between your WordPress website and AI. So what MCP does? What MCP adapter does? MCP adapter will reveal the abilities API. So which ability we want to give to AI, that will be revealed by MCP adapter. So this is we can call MCP for WordPress only. So yeah, this is the simple explanation of all of this keywords and terminologies. Most of the discussion will revolve around these 4 keywords. Other than that, we will be talking about WordPress only. And yeah, new thing we are adding into WordPress discussion is the AI. Now, this is the very short and simple explanation of these keywords, which I explained to you in a very simple manner. But yeah, if you want to understand very deeply about these keywords, I would like to recommend this channel called Across WP. So he's very good friend of mine. Yeah, he makes video around AIs and WordPress in detail. If you want to deep dive into this, you should check out the Across WP channel. So stay tuned. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.